welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So it's a different video. We are going to do weekly vlogs because a lot of you guys are liking my vlogs a lot, and I thought why shouldn't we do more vlogs. And yeah, here we are. I'm gonna try this out. I'm not really sure if I'm going to put this out or not, but yeah, there are not going to be a lot of cuts in this, so it's going to be very raw. So today is Monday and I'm gonna start the vlog today itself. So it's going to be Monday to Saturday or Sunday. I'll be vlogging till, and so Monday I'll be posting the video. So without any further ado, let's begin this vlog. Okay, I literally got stuck in lift. Like, it's the first time ever I got stuck in this. Thank God I don't have any kind of phobia. I'm using flashlight or else it's super dark. Just done with my work and I'm heading back home. I really want to show you guys my team, but not everybody was available today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with my team. Hey again, so this is day 2 of vlog and we are at Workspace Studios. We are shooting today and okay, so I'll be back in just 1 minute. Don't go anywhere, I'll be back. Hi guys, I am Fandu. Shruti is actually shooting and I thought I'll take care of it from now on. So I'll show you guys around my office and the colleagues here. So let's start with this one. Hi Santosh.
Hello Fandu.
So this guy,
how did you take Shruti?
She's walking really so that's fine. So this guy is the script writer and the director of the whole series. And we have here Raj. And we have our favorite. Where are you? Where are you? Say hi. Show you more. Okay. We had our boss here. And we have another lady in the house. So we are now going to shoot our kind of video. So yeah, if you want to watch this video, then subscribe to Workspace and stay updated. So now we're going to go shoot.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने आँखियों के डोर, मन के अच्छे सा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे शहर की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है पिया सिर्फ तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ, दिल ने जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी.
Day 3 of vlogging and today is Wednesday. It's been really productive. I've been doing videos since morning. I did 2 videos. One is a realistic morning routine. The other one is I just filmed a street style store video, which is already, I think, is up on my channel. I'll be uploading it on Friday because it's kind of a review. So it goes with the review Friday thing. So as I'm done with filming 2 of the videos, I am now going to watch a little bit of Netflix, and I'm actually watching this series, and This is Sabrina. This is Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, and I'm watching the part 2, which is series 2, and I'm still on episode 1, which just released, I guess, which recently came on, and I started watching that. The first one is amazing. I watched it last year itself, and this is amazing. You should watch it. So this is the day 4 of vlogging, and I am here. We were practicing for a dance video. We have here Vishan, so he's basically a wonderful dancer. We have here, hi, Reva, which is amazing. So we three are planning to do a video on contemporary jazz, is it?
Yes, jazz.
So yeah, looking forward to it, and I'm gonna record a small bit of song right now of them in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all when I want to with you.
People, so I am done with the IKEA event, and now I'm headed back home. Meanwhile, I did shop for my birthday from website. I'm gonna show it to you on probably next week vlog. I'm super tired already. I am super tired right now. Okay, I'll talk about what I did yesterday. Yesterday I didn't really vlog anything because I was super busy, hurry-burry stuff, you know, I was traveling here and there and then doing all the work. So I couldn't really do yesterday's vlog. And today in the morning, everything started like very calm, and I was just doing dusting and stuff. And my mom reached Hyderabad. My mom came to Hyderabad, so I went to pick her up. And after I dropped her there in my place, and I came back again to the IKEA event, to Pura Mall, and here I'm just done with it. Now I'm heading back to home again. So this is what just happened. I'm trying to vlog anything and everything in, but I don't want to make it super long, so I'm keeping it really short this time. I don't know, I am sure it's going to be super long because it's the whole weekly vlog. Okay, I'm gonna head back home now, and let's do that later. So hello. So it's Sunday, and what I did today is I went for shopping for my birthday again, because the outfit which I bought yesterday, I gave it for the alteration, and I had to pick that up as well. And yep, that is it. And I actually picked up some other stuff also. I'm gonna put the clip right here. So I bought this dress, and it was amazing. It was a super chill day. After I came back, I started editing this vlog. That is what it is. I'm done. I guess 90% of it is just this one. I have to edit it off, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, so it's super raw, there's nothing on my face, so all my vlogs are going to be like this. So you'll be seeing real me and going to interact with real me, a lot of dirty stuff. Okay, fine. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely